Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to cover these swatches. These are all Cateye. I got them all off Amazon, so I will go ahead and link them below. If you saw my Amazon haul, I actually ordered this in that one, and I had ordered the lighter colors in this bottle, but obviously these are a different kind because they never came. So like never shipped, it kept getting pushed back and pushed back. So I ordered these, which they looked the same, and I have a tutorial using this nude one, so I can link that up top as well. But let's go ahead and get into these bad boys. All right, so I'm starting with 06 because this one came with a black polish, and I think you're supposed to use it under the black. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a thin coat on 5 of the swatch sticks.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
All right, so we're gonna take 01. You have like that purple, blue, green, everything you wanna see. Look at that. That is beautiful on its own. One thing I'm noticing about these, they feel sticky. I don't know how to describe it any other way, is that this feels sticky. To be honest, I am absolutely okay with just this. But let's give you a cat eye. That's cool. All right, we're gonna do 02, which is super pretty. It's like that greenish, brown, purpley pink. These are very, these are very sticky feeling. I don't know if I've ever had a gel feel sticky. That is so pretty. I think my lights are too bright and it's like washing out the cat eye. Look at that. All right, we have 03, and this is a purpley blue, it looks like. This kind of reminds me of a little bit more of a purple Justice from Light Elegance. To be honest, I'll be honest here. I think I just like them better on their own. Is that weird? Like, I like them just like this. So pretty though. Here's 4. And this looks like a pink one. Yes, see? Do you see how stringy that is? These are thick. Purpley pink. Yes. All right, number 5. Ooh, it's green. This would be really pretty for Christmas. Like just on its own. Look at that. Oh, I touched the gel. Let's see, do I need to do another one? No, it'll be all right. So pretty. All right, that was this pack. I'm not gonna be able to pronounce that. And then this is the lighter pack. And under the nude one, I put a nude gel, but I don't think I'm gonna put anything under this one. I may regret it. I have a whole bunch of swatch sticks, so we'll see. This is number 60, which you're not gonna see on the label. Now, one thing I did notice, the difference between these, so I use I use 61 in that tutorial. These are super thin. So if you're going to use it and you like come in and do a super thin layer like this, get in there, which is fine. There we go. You do that super thin layer and you come in and do your cat eye. You'll still get your cat eye. Here is 61, which is that kind of bronzy neutral color. Again, these ones are much more runny, so I can't do that kind of full test. 62. This would have been a really pretty color to do the cat eye. I think I just had that nude cat eye stuck in my head for so long that I had to do it, but you know, I think a pink or the purple would have been amazing. And again, don't touch your nails or swatch stick, because 63, which I probably should have swatched these before I did my video, because then I would have known. I probably should have chose a different color. These would be awesome to go over a top of another color, like another nail. Like not to just do the cat eye effect. Yes. I should have done the pink. All right, 64. We're almost to the end, I promise. Yes. 65, it kind of looks like a periwinkle. We already had a purple, so maybe this is the blue. Yeah, blue. Yes. So I totally forgot to film the outro. I don't know what I was thinking, but here is a picture of all the different swatches. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.